Krishna, everyone. So I'm back for another video, and this is a Lofa beat that you play for Damodarastakam. So it's a 6-beat. People call it Dadra Taal, because you hear when people clap, dun, 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 like what you hear for Damodarastakam during the month of Kartik. And so we're going to learn one that's very simple, and you'll be able to pick it up pretty quickly, I think. And again, the sheet music is in the link below. And you'll also see in the link that there's a link for our Mridanga book. And you can also find it if you go through our website. There will be a link there as well. And you will find other Lofa beats like these in that book. So I recommend getting that. You get a free class with it as well. Let's go ahead and learn the beat. It's so simple. I guarantee you'll have a great time with it. Okay, so here we go. Da, gina, kita, da, gina, gina. Okay, that's the beat. So let's do it piece by piece here, okay? So on the small side, all I'm doing is 4 fingers. So there isn't much to see here. Whenever you see me strike the small side, you know I'm just hitting with 4 fingers. I'm not doing any intricate stuff there. On the big side, it's either open or closed, as usual. So here's how it goes. Da, open. Gina, kita. Okay, so da, gina, kita. Da, gina, kita. Pretty easy, right? You see the cymbals and all that in the sheet music. Okay? And now here's the second half. Tag. So tag, T-A-G, is a shorthand for tag-he. Tag-he. It's virtually the same thing. Tag. Because you say tag because when you're playing it really fast, then you have to say tag. So tag, gena, gena. Also, another thing with tag is the ge is silent. Tag. So if you hear how I play, da, gina. So you can play that song. You can even omit the ge and just go. You can treat tag as ta. So those are some options. So da, gina, gina. You can do it like that, or as it's written in the document, tag, tag, gina, gina, tag. And the gina, gina is easy. Gina, gina. All open on the big side. All right. So now let's try with the Kirtan. And you can play it along with me, okay? And then you can go ahead and try it on your own. I'll also link the Kirtan video in the description. This is a very famous Kirtan video. It's from Vrindavan. And it's Aindra, Prabhu. At the end of the Damodarastakam, singing the Hare Krishna mantra. So let's hear it. Play a little close so you can hear it. Last one. Okay. So, I have a challenge for you guys. So you made it this far, right? We've been playing, it's been gaining speed. A few times it went down. I don't know if you noticed. Some kirtans don't always go straight. You know, they don't always just increase because they're humans playing. Sometimes it slows down, speeds up, slows down, but the trajectory is getting faster. It's going up. And where we just stopped is 3 minutes, 45 seconds. Okay? You remember that time? And here's the challenge. Play this, now that you've practiced with me, go to this video and try and continue going because they're just about to increase quite a bit. And see how long you can go before they change the beat, right? At some point they change and then they go into matan. They change it into matan. But as long as you're keeping it on this, you know, this beat, then see how long you can go for because it definitely increases speed. And then if you can do that, then you rewind it straight to the beginning of the video and play the video on 1.25 speed. So on YouTube, you can change the speed of the video and play it even faster. So that's great. Now you have another challenge. See how fast you can go. And then even you can increase it to 1.5 then after that. And yeah, then you'll probably be as fast as you need it for any kirtan. You can even try it faster than that. So I hope that was helpful for you guys. It's a very simple beat. It doesn't take much to learn, but it has applications everywhere. This beat is like a kaharba. So it's like a medium, it would be like a medium speed beat. It's not what you play when it's slow. When the Lofa is slow, then you can try one of the other beats that we have that I'll also put in the description. You can try that beat when it's slow. You can even try some of the other beats that we have in the book. Those are meant for when it's slow. But once it's at a medium speed, then you play this beat. And then finally, when it's fast, then you play Rela, which is a previous video on our channel. You play the Rela. So, good luck with that, and I'll see you in the next video. Hare Krishna.